Stop treating every pimple the same way. Because not all acne is the same. If you don't first understand which type of acne you have, your treatment will never work. Acne is not just a simple skin issue. It is actually a condition that happens when your pores get blocked with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria, and depending on how deep or severe the blockage is, acne appears in different forms. Let's start with the most basic type, whiteheads. Whiteheads are small bumps that stay under the skin surface. They look white or skin-colored and are caused by clogged pores. Next are blackheads. These are open, clogged pores. When oil inside the pore reacts with air, it turns black. That's why they look like dark dots on your nose or face. Now comes papules. These are small, red, inflamed bumps. They are usually painful but do not contain pus yet. After that, we have pustules, which are the classic pimples most people deal with. They are red bumps filled with white or yellow pus inside. And one important thing, never pop them, because it can lead to scars. Moving on to nodules. These are deeper, harder, and more painful lumps under the skin. They take longer to heal and usually need proper skincare or medical treatment. And the most severe type is cystic acne. This is deep, painful acne that forms large lumps under the skin. It can easily leave permanent scars if not treated properly. Now let's talk about treatment for each type. For whiteheads, use a salicylic acid cleanser, aloe vera gel, and keep your skin moisturized with a lightweight product. For blackheads, steam your face, use clay masks once or twice a week, and add salicylic acid to your routine. For papules, ice the area to reduce swelling, use niacinamide serum, and apply spot treatment like benzoyl peroxide. For pustules, avoid touching them. Use diluted tea tree oil, benzoyl peroxide, and soothing aloe vera gel. For nodules, apply ice for pain relief and use retinoid-based products like adapalene. In severe cases, a dermatologist is recommended. And for cystic acne, the most important step is professional treatment. Keep your routine very gentle and avoid any harsh home experiments. Finally, remember these 3 golden rules: don't pop pimples, use sunscreen daily, and stay consistent because real results take time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And comment below which type of acne do you struggle with the most. And in the next video, I'll show you how to remove acne marks permanently.